just a couple of variations, I mean fairly simple and quick in terms of wearing one's black dress. Obviously you can bling it up. Rhinestone necklace, the big rhinestone earrings, your blingy sparkly shoes. This is kind of for, you know, club wear or New Year's Eve, a big, you know, fun party. This can be a great look. We also have the classic pearls and pumps. I love this look, very Audrey Hepburn, one of my favorite looks. This again for your more formal occasions, but maybe you don't want to be quite so much club girl. Maybe this is a family party or a wedding. You want to be a little more elegant with our pearls. Now here I'm going to add a little jacket, a little sheer beaded jacket, ties with little ribbons and kind of a retro jewelry. Again, it's a very feminine look, still very elegant, very timeless, nice for a party. Now I'm going to add a little color and a little texture with this wine red crocheted little shrug jacket and ties with a bow, matching red jewelry. With this look, you could possibly wear this to work depending on the environment in which you work. Obviously I love these type of bolero tie-on stretchy jackets because, you know, I don't have to iron them, and I love anything I don't have to iron, and they travel so well. So here is a long sleeve jacket to tie on over the dress with a big bold piece of jewelry, and now I've switched out my pumps for boots. This is a look that could go to school, it can go shopping. I mean, it's casual, but you're still pulled together and polished and very, very comfortable. And last but not least, to take it really business, here is the same dress with boots again, but a black blazer, and then a black and white scarf and black and white jewelry. So this is just very, very simple. A few illustrations of the versatility that the classic black dress can have in your wardrobe.